Let's talk about the latest launched Honor Smartphone GT Pro with boundary breaking blade design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 8TL TPO AMOLED display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1264 by 2800 pixels, approximately 93.55% screen-to-body ratio, 19.93 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 6000 nits peak brightness, HDR vivid color. Quality support, 144 Hz refresh rate, and giant rhino glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.95 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel Sony IMX856 sensor 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.4 and support optical image stabilization, and 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro camera with aperture 2.0. For selfies it has 50 megapixel 22mm centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 24, 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 9.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood the phone CPU is octa-core 4.47 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L+, 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.1 by 75.7 by 8.58 mm, and it weights around 212 grams, and the color options: phantom black, ice crystal white, burning speed, gold colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 7200 mAh battery, with 90-watt wired super flash charge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features 3D ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, 3D waterfall mimic natural circulation, VC cooling system support, infrared remote control support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor GT Pro has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 4,299 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 4,799 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor GT Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.